today let's start with chapter number 4, crop production. In this chapter, we will study about how the crop is produced from barren land to your house. Now, all living organisms get their food, energy, and nutrition mainly from. You also know that food is obtained from plants and animals. Food हमें दो sources से मिलता है, एक plant से एक animal. Now, food is one of the basic needs of your life. We all are dependent upon food for the survival. The early man wandered from place to place in search of food, and he was called vendor or no. He was a food gatherer and used to hunt animals and eat their flesh. He also used other parts of plants like leaves, stem, and fruit as food. After a long of time, they settled down in villages. Their population increased and they needed more food. So they learned how to grow food, and this was the period when men started living as second. ये वो टाइम था जब men ने क्या करा? They started living as second. The process of growing crop. The process of growing crop on large scale is known as agriculture. At this period of time, men did not know how much about the crop and people used his limited knowledge and means of agriculture. As time passed, we gained more and more knowledge about soil, irrigation, and manure. Today, nearly half of the world workforce is employed in growing crops or looking after farming. In India, nearly to 70% of the population है वो किसमें engaged है? Agriculture sector. If you talk about India, the 70% of population है they are engaged in agriculture. People mostly क्या है? Farmers. And what they are doing? They are growing crop. Now, crop plant in India, this agriculture revolution in India, this agricultural revolution, जो आपका green revolution है, वो कब begin हुआ था? 1960 में. As a result, production of food grains has increased several feet. The plants which are grown by men on large scale to get useful products, they are known as crops or crop plants. To meet the ever increasing population's demand of the country, you need extensive crop production. आपको ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा crop production चाहिए. Successful crop production depends upon number of factors. Nutrients कैसे हैं, कैसा उसमें climate है और कैसा water है for the growth of the plant. मतलब किस तरीके से आप nutrients provide कर रहे हो, climate कैसा है उसके अंदर, water. Sunlight and air are abundantly available in open crop field. For other requirement, farmers has to make special efforts. और भी रिक्वायरमेंट्स होते हैं इसके लिए फार्मर्स को कुछ स्पेशल एफर्ट्स लेने होते हैं. नाउ मेनी डिफरेंट काइंड ऑफ क्रॉप्स आर ग्रोन इन इंडिया एंड सम टाइप ऑफ आर कैश क्रॉप, फ्रूट्स, स्पाइसेस एंड वेजिटेबल्स. Some common crop grown and consumed in India are given to you. Now I will tell you some crop plants that are grown in India. Like we have cereals, example wheat, paddy, rice, maize. If we talk about pulses, gram, peas, beans, oil seeds में आपके सब आ जाते हैं. Oil seeds में आपके mustard, groundnut, sunflower, root में sweet potato, tuber crop में potato, sugar cane, beetroot, for the plantation में tea, coffee, rubber, fiber crop में cotton and. Now cropping season, we have three main cropping seasons in India. Like we have kharif crop which is grown in rainy season. The crop are sown during beginning of the rainy season. जब रेनी सीजन शुरू होता है मतलब आपका जून और जुलाई वाला टाइम होता है. दे आर हार्वेस्टिंग ड्यूरिंग मंथ ऑफ अक्टूबर एंड नवंबर. अक्टूबर और नवंबर में इनको हार्वेस्ट करा जाता है. लाइक द पेडी, ज्वार, बाजरा, ग्राउंडनट, कॉटन एंड सोया. देन वी हैव राबी क्रॉप व्हिच आर ग्रोन इन विंटर सीजन. इनको विंटर सीजन में ग्रो करा जाता है. सोन इन द बिगनिंग ऑफ विंटर सीजन अक्टूबर एंड नवंबर. उनको कुछ मंथ में हार्वेस्ट करा जाता है इन द मंथ ऑफ March and April. Like the wheat, gram, barley, pea, mustard, or lime. These are the example of the rabi crop. आपको याद रखना है खरीफ क्रॉप रेनी सीजन में जून जुलाई में क्या करा जाता है, तो करा जाता है हार्वेस्ट करा जाता है अक्टूबर और नवंबर. टॉक अबाउट राबी, ये कब शो करा जाता है? अक्टूबर और नवंबर में. और कब हार्वेस्ट करा जाता है? मार्च है. Now Z crop, it is grown in summer season. जिसे हम Z crop कहते हैं. They are sown in the beginning of summer season, मतलब मार्च एंड अप्रैल में, and they are harvested in July and August. जैसे आपका मूंग, मस्क, वाटरमेलन, कुकुम्बर, बिटर पार्ट. What are these? These are judged. Then we have agriculture practice. Modern agriculture is carried out by scientific and systematic. The farmer performs series of tasks from लैंड प्रिपरेशन टू हार्वेस्टिंग ऑफ. पहले हम लैंड को प्रिपेयर करते हैं, फिर इरिगेट, सी को सो, सीड्स को सो करते हैं, बोते हैं, फिर इरिगेट करते हैं, फिर क्या करते हैं, फार्मर क्या करता है, सीरीज ऑफ टास्क परफॉर्म करता है फ्रॉम लैंड प्रिपरेशन टू हार्वेस्ट. द स्टेप बाय स्टेप मेथड ऑफ एग्रीकल्चर दैट टेक केयर ऑफ न्यूअर टेक्निक, इक्विपमेंट्स एंड टूल्स नीड फॉर एग्रीकल्चर. ऑल द एक्टिविटीज विच आर इन्वॉल्व इन ग्रोइंग ऑफ क्रॉप, इसको हम कहते हैं एग्रीकल्चर प्रैक्टिस. Various agriculture practices which are involved at different stages of growing of crop are as follows. पहले हम सॉइल को प्रिपेयर करते हैं, सीड सिलेक्शन करते हैं, मैन्योर और फर्टिलाइजर ऐड करते हैं, इरिगेशन, ब्रीडिंग, क्रॉप प्रोटेक्शन, हार्वेस्टिंग करते हैं, और फिर क्या करते हैं, स्टोरेज करते हैं. Now we have preparation of soil. Soil enters the roots of plant, provide nutrient and water to them. They also provide oxygen to the roots. The preparation of soil is the first step. इसमें आपके process of growing crop involved होता है, and it is essential stage for cultivating any crop. में basically दो steps involved होते हैं आपकी, plowing and leveling. Plowing, the process of loosening and turning up the soil is called plowing or tilling. It is carried out by using wooden or iron plow. Iron plow are more popular these days. Plowing makes soil airy, और ये रूट्स को अलाउ करता है कि आप इजिली रूट्स क्या कर सकें, ब्रीथ. ठीक है. Plowing enhances the water retaining capacity of the soil and helps microorganisms to develop. ठीक है. ये हेल्प करता है जो माइक्रो ऑर्गेनिज्म है वो डेवलप. देन वी डू लेबलिंग. फिर हम लेबलिंग करते हैं आफ्टर प्लोइंग. लेबलिंग इज डन ऑफ लैंड विद द हेल्प ऑफ लेबलर while plowing a field in dry season. Big pieces of soil, हम crumbs कहते हैं, ये फॉर्म होते हैं, and it is necessary to break these crumbs with the help of wooden or iron layer. The field is leveled or soiled as well as for irrigation. Sometimes manure को ऐड करा जाता है soil में before plowing, which helps in proper mixing of manure in the. इसमें हेल्प करता है proper mixing of manure in the. Leveling has the soil to retain moisture, और ये क्या चेक करता है, soil erosion by doing them. Now seed selection and sowing. After the soil is prepared, seeds are scattered in the field. The process of putting seeds into the soil is called sowing. And before sowing, good quality seeds are selected as they are fine and healthy. हम क्या करते हैं, बोने से पहले हम सेलेक्ट करते हैं कि जो सीड होनी चाहिए वो गुड क्वालिटी की है. While sowing, proper care is taken to ensure seeds should be germinated to particular depth. To plant it in the planted surface, if the planted on the surface, they will be eaten by the bird. अगर हम सरफेस पे ही प्लांट करेंगे तो बर्ड को क्या करेंगी, खाते. There are different methods of sowing seeds, like we have broadcasting, seed drill, transplant. ब्रॉडकास्टिंग में क्या होता है, सीड्स को सो करा जाता है, बोया जाता है मैनुअली बाय स्कैटरिंग मैनुअल. अरे इसको हम ब्रॉडकास्टिंग कहते हैं. ये ओल्डेस्ट मेथड है जिसमें हम जो हम मोस्ट पार्ट ऑफ द कंट्री में यूज करते हैं. नाउ सीड ड्रिल, इफ वी टॉक अबाउट, इट इज फनल एट द टॉप एंड सेवरल ट्रीज रनिंग फ्रॉम द फनल टू द ग्राउंड. इनको हम फनल और धनी में रखते हैं. एज द ड्रिल स्कैटर्स द ग्राउंड मेकिंग 2 rows फॉर द सीड, द सीड्स आर सोन. ये हेल्प करता है टू सो द सीड एट द करेक्ट डेप्थ एंड इंटरवल. Now transplantation. What happens in the transplantation? Cereals like rice and some other vegetables have different sowing procedure. In the seed sprouts into seed. जब सीड किसमें चेंज हो जाती है, सीडलिंग में. तो सीडलिंग्स आर प्लांटेड मैनुअली इनटू द पीक. इनको अपने हम हाथ से मैनुअली क्या करते हैं, प्लांट करते हैं. आफ्टर दे हैव ग्रोन इनटू स्मॉल plantlets, they are called seed. Seedlings are then transferred and transplanted in the field. The process is known as transplant. It is necessary to see that there is sufficient space left behind seeds and seedlings, while sowing and transplanting is required to. Now adding manure and fertilizer. Plants require nutrient for growth. which they get from soil. The soil does not always have rich mineral. In order to enrich the soil, substance को हम ऐड करते हैं soil में, और ये क्या फॉर्म करते हैं? इस फॉर्म में न्यूट्रिएंट्स के फॉर्म, और इनको हम मैन्योर्स एंड फर्टिलाइजर कहते हैं. इन द प्रोसेस ऑफ एडिंग मैन्योर एंड फर्टिलाइजर called manuring. What it is called? Manure. What are manures? These are organic substance that is obtained from dead plants and animals, and they supply essential nutrients and humus to the soil and make the soil fertile. जो फार्म यार्ड मैन्योर होता है, it is obtained from cattle dung, urine, straw, heat and other farm yard waste. और जो compost होता है मैन्योर का, it is obtained by decomposition of dead plants, animal waste, sewage waste. और जो green manure होता है, वो आपका किससे बनता है? Then they have fertilizer. What are fertilizer? Fertilizer are man-made mineral soil called inorganic fertilizer, which supply a specific nutrient to the soil. The most commonly used fertilizer are NPK fertilizer, जो किसमें रिच होता है? नाइट्रोजन में, फॉस्फोरस में और पोटेशियम में. Now difference between manure and fertilizer. Here the difference is given. Manure are natural substance. ये natural substance होते हैं. They are made of dead plants and animal waste in the field. और fertilizer inorganic substance होते हैं. इनको कहाँ बनाया जाता है? फैक्ट्री में. Manure supply most nutrients to remove general deficiency. अब fertilizer एक nutrient specific है. ये क्या करते हैं? Specific nutrients provide करते हैं as required by the bird. These are bulky and due to this factor it is inconvenient to store and transport and supply. The compact and can be conveniently transported, supplied and stored. They are not water soluble. They are water soluble. ये water में easily क्या हो सकते हैं? घुल जाते हैं. They act very slowly. They act very quickly. Then they have irrigation. The supply of water to crop at different stages of growth is called irrigation. Water keeps nutrients dissolved and which are easy for the roots to send up to other parts. Irrigation is an artificial method of supplying water to the crop. In summers, when water loss through evaporation is high, more irrigation is required. In India, the large number of farmers हैं, they depend on rain for irrigation. Rain varies and does not always supply the right amount of water. Therefore, the important है to supply water regularly to the crop. What are the main sources of irrigation in our country? Like river, lakes, wells, tubewells, canals, reservoir, tanks. The water from these resources is discharged into field by irrigation and pumped by using electric or diesel pump. Then we have traditional method of irrigation in India, which have been used for centuries to lift water from water reservoirs and supply it to field for irrigation. Although these methods are cheaper and they are less efficient, some of the traditional methods of irrigation are pulley system, which हम मोट कहते हैं. Then we have chain pump, leveler system or drip. Now modern methods of irrigation. The modern method of irrigation, what they ensures? They ensures use of water for economically and efficiently. Some of the modern method of irrigation are, we have sprinkler system, drip irrigation. First is sprinkler system. इसमें क्या होता है कि जो वाटर होता है वो स्प्रिंकल होता है, एंड इन दिस मेथड हॉरिजॉन्टल पाइप्स हैविंग रिवॉल्विंग इसमें क्या होता है? रिवॉल्विंग नोजल्स होती हैं with a force from rotating nozzles in all directions. It resembles as if it is raining and drizzling. ये ऐसा रिजेंबल करता है जैसे बारिश हो रही है या फिर ड्रिजलिंग हो रही है. ड्रिप इरिगेशन, इट इज वेरी इकोनॉमिकल सिस्टम. ये क्या प्रोवाइड करता है? ड्रॉप बाय ड्रॉप वाटर, और इसको हम क्या कहते हैं? ड्रिप इरिगेशन कहते हैं. ये बहुत ज्यादा यूजफुल होती है इन एरिया वेयर देयर इज लेस अवेलेबिलिटी ऑफ वाटर. यहाँ पे आपके लेट डाउन पाइप्स होते हैं व्हिच हैव स्पेशली prepared nozzle attached to them and nozzles are located near the roots of trees. Or what they provide? They provide water drop by drop. Now we have weeding. Weeding क्या होती है? अनवांटेड प्लांट्स होते हैं. आपने देखा होगा कि जहाँ पे ट्री या प्लांट्स वगैरह लगे होते हैं वहाँ पे अपने आप कुछ प्लांट्स ग्रो कर जाते हैं. What are these known as? These are unwanted plants. What are called weeds. They compete with the main crop for nutrients, water, and hence reduce cropping. The process of removing weed from crops is known as weeding. The best time to remove weed is before when they produce flower, and some weeds which are very common and grow with almost every crop. जो हर एक क्रॉप के साथ ग्रो करते हैं, लाइक अमेरिकल जिसे हम चुलाई कहते हैं, और बथुआ जिसे हम कैनोफोडिया कहते हैं, और वाइल्ड ओट्स, ये सब क्या होती है, ये इसमें ही ग्रो होती हैं. वी हैव वेरियस मेथड टू रिमूव वीड. देखो बहुत लोग क्या करते हैं, उनको हाथों से उखाड़ दो. मैनुअल मेथड जिसमें uprooting the weed manually by using tools involves use of hand trowel, khurpi, harrow, and tractor. Then we have by chemical methods. It involves spraying chemical. आप केमिकल्स डाल देते हैं, वीडिसाइड्स और हर्बिसाइड्स जो वीड्स को डिस्ट्रॉय कर देते हैं, जैसे मेटलॉर या सिनेजाइन. दे आर डाइल्यूटेड इन वाटर एंड स्प्रेड विद स्प्रे. ऐसे फील्ड में डाइल्यूट कर जाता है वाटर में, फिर उसको स्प्रे करा जाता है. ये बहुत ज्यादा पॉइजनस होता है. बाय बायोलॉजिकल कंट्रोल मेथड. In this method, an insect or any other organism is introduced in the crop field which selectively destroy weeds. It is necessary to check reproduction of these insects. ठीक है, reproduction check करता है. Then we have crop protection. Damaged or destroyed crops are not healthy for human consumption. The organism that destroy crops, इनको हम pest कहते हैं. The crop are also destroyed by bacteria, fungi and virus. Various substances are used to protect the crop. Like pests can be controlled by pesticide. जिसमें आपका इंसेक्टिसाइड्स होते हैं DDT, BHC and malathion, Bystone. They are used to destroy insects. We have fungicide like we have sulfur, lime and जो क्या करता है आपके फंगी को डिस्ट्रॉय करता है. रोडेंसाइड जिसमें आपका जिंक फॉस्फाइड, वॉरफेरिन का यूज करा जाता है. बर्ड्स कैन बी स्केयर्ड बाय पुटिंग स्केयर को. देखा ना, अपने खेत में स्केयर क्रॉप को लगाया जाता है जिससे बर्ड को लगे कि कोई ह्यूमन बीइंग कर. नाउ हार्वेस्टिंग. जैसे ही क्रॉप मैच्योर करता है, इट इज हार्वेस्टेड, कट एंड गैदर. द प्रोसेस ऑफ कटिंग एंड गैदरिंग क्रॉप फ्रॉम फील्ड ऑफ नॉन मैच्योरिटी कॉल्ड हार्वेस्ट. इट इज डन विद द हेल्प ऑफ हैंड सिकल और बाय यूजिंग अ मशीन जिसे हम क्या कहते हैं, हार्वेस्ट. Now, harvesting machines have made harvesting easy, but small farmers cannot afford them. The bundles of plant are packed against some logs of wood to prepare the grains from the main plant. This is now done by automatic threshing. तो harvesting या threshing है, ये simultaneously हम करते हैं with the use of kamba. After threshing, the grain has to be separated from the chaff. The process of separating grain from the husk of the chaff, इसको क्या कहा जाता है, digging. It is done manually by allowing the mixture of grains and sap to fall against wind from a height. But the wind takes light chaff away from the heavy grain and they fall on the ground and are separated. Now we have storage. जब harvested crop has been threshed and dried in the sun, threshing is done to bring down moisture content below 14% by day to prevent attack of. After drying, what happens? The grains are packed in jute bags and stored in silos, godowns greatly. In practice, express stock or buffer stock is always maintained so that grains are available in plenty, even if there is shortfall in product. In our homes, food grains are stored in metal bins. इन्हें metal bins में store किया जाता है. Dried green leaves को add करा जाता है in the bin, जिससे हम pest infection को prevent कर. Now nitrogen cycle. Nitrogen, it is used by life forms to carry out many functions of life. The conversion होता है atmospheric nitrogen by bacteria into such compounds that are consumed by plants, जिसे हम nitrogen fixation. Nitrogen fixation जो बैक्टीरिया से हम राइजोबियम कहते हैं, वो कहाँ मिलता है? स्मॉल बॉल्स अटैच्ड टू द रूट्स ऑफ लेग्यूम्स, pea, beans, groundnuts. Legumes, they are grown as rotational crop for the purpose of nitrogen fixation. Air contains about 7% of nitrogen, 78% of nitrogen. और जो atmospheric nitrogen है, it is not used by the plant directly before it is consumed. It combines with oxygen, carbon, hydrogen, and it is then used as nutrient like water. Nitrogen is returned to the atmosphere, forming a cycle called nitrogen cycle. Now, plants absorb nitrates from the soil and produce protein in their cells. When the consumer eats plant, nitrogen enters food chain by the process called nitrogen attenuation. A part of this protein is broken down in the bodies of animals and it is excreted. Moreover, when animals die, microorganisms act on them and they decompose their nitrogen components into ammonia. The process called ammonification. Some of these compounds are taken up by the plants and rest are converted into nitrate. और किससे? By nitrifying bacteria जो आपको soil में present. The process of conversion of ammonia into nitrate is called nitrification. Some of these nitrates जो होते हैं, they are absorbed by the plant and the rest are converted to free nitrogen gas. और किससे? By your denitrifying bacteria. This is called denitrification. This ammonia may be released into atmosphere and thus completing nitrogen cycle. And your nitrogen cycle gets complete. The process आपको दिखता है. It is your nitrogen cycle and it is the process how your nitrogen in the air is absorbed to the other part. Now our chapter has been completed. Hope you understood the chapter. That's all for today.